Ang ganda pala nitong itong bagong resort ng Accor, which is called M Gallery here at the South Palms in Bohol. Maganda pala talaga. So, ito tagang magaling mag-sales.
So, nakikita naman from the lobby.
Yes
Oh,
po.
dadali mo kami sa sa beach.
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
But in terms of...
Ganda pala nito. This is totally brand new, ha.
Kasali po.
Ayan, ulitin natin. Oh, ganda nga niya, oh. Mayroon siyang sariling plunge pool. Uy, ito hagdanan nyo. Unique, ha? Ha? Paikot, ha?
Island is
Wow.
Philippine.
Yan, tsaka pala magre-register.
Point to point, you get to...
Yun ang lobby. Bilib din ako sa nag-architect nito. Kaya pala inabot ito ng 7 years in the making, oh. Yun ang superior room, mas mura. Ito kasi may plunge pool. Pag dyan ka nakabook.
We try to maximize the spaces.
Ayan,
Conserve
paikot lang kami.
space talaga.
Kasama namin si Melia. Oh, hello, Melia. Babalik ako rito. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko.
Well, what's
Ang dami nga kwarto rito, Melia. Ang ilan ang total rooms nyo rito?
180?
188.
Yes.
Wow. So kung naghahabol ka pa lang ng points at gusto mo maging platinum o diamond, dito ka na lang magpunta. Hindi ka na lilipad kung saan saan kung naghahabol ka lang ng points. Kasi yung iba naghahabol ng points eh. Ganda. Dito ka lang sa Philippines.
Over there, you're frequently visiting.
Melia, ano ba to? Anong tanim yan?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass yan?
Opo, lahat
Wow, talaga? Wow, meron kayong lemongrass. O di, marami kayong lemongrass na binibigay dito.
Well,
sa mga
it's
guests.
mostly used for our restaurants, the drinks, and our spa po.
Talaga? Mas maganda ka pala pag naarawan ka. Oh. Striking beauty na. Oh.
Langitim na po.
Oo. Yan, nasa baba na tayo. Ito yung mga signages. Sirena. Piti Restaurant, nandito na.
Opo. Just up
Okay.
ahead po.
Uy, ang ganda ng ano nyo, ha. Ang ganda ng mga plants nyo. At ayun ang main pool.
Yes, the
Okay. So kung di ka pala nakatira doon sa may plunge pool, ang ganda naman ang main pool niya. Ilan tong main pool nyo?
It's 300 cubic meter po.
Wow. Malapitan nga.
So things.
Ganda pala talaga, oh. Sayang, hindi ko napakita yung lobby. Ayan. Maganda rito. Wala akong nakikita mga Koreano. Hindi naman masama yung Koreano, pero at least wala akong masyadong nakikitang guests. Kasi siguro dahil mas mahal. Wow. Nice color red. Okay, it's a big area. There's a pool there from the villas, and there's also a pool on the right side. Maybe for children. Ganda ng landscape. The ambience of this resort is, I would say, spectacular. Maganda. Totally brand new. Took them 7 years to build this. They really perfected a work of art. Really nice. And if you're Accor member, you get 30% discount every time you dine. Diyan kami 30% discount, Melia. Pag kumain ka dyan.
Sa Pilipinas.
Ang ganda. Oh, mag-i-enjoy yung mga grandchildren ko rito. Ayan, oh, meron pa magsiswing, oh.
It's okay for
Wow. Everything looks good in this resort. Ambience is the best. If you're looking for ambience, it's the M Gallery. Pero tingnan natin yung beach lang muna sandali bago tayo kumain.
day pass po.
Okay.
That's a part of it.
Yun ang restaurant. So ano pangalan tong restaurant na to?
This one is Uma po.
Uma.
Aggressive Filipino cuisine.
Anong Filipino?
Yes,
Cuisine?
Filipino.
Yung isa, yung kaninang dinanat.
International comfort.
International. Saan may sashimi?
We don't have
Wala kayong sashimi kahit sa international.
Yes. Yung
Ah.
ating po kasi dito is promoting more on the local fishes.
Okay.
We have fresh fishes po on the side.
Sige,
Na
sige.
pwede niyo pong i-order just in case.
Okay, so from the restaurant to the swimming pool, you get to enjoy your beach. Uy, may sunset, oh. Wow, that's the jackpot. So this resort has a sunset. Wow, look at that. Yun nga lang, it's only 5:09. So the sunset is on the right side. Very, very good. With coconuts. All right, so it's going to be cocktail time. This is nice. You can have a bonfire here. Really good for family. Nice gimmick. All right, that's the bar of Movenpick M Gallery. Not Movenpick, but M Gallery. May mga swing and duyan. I'm sure there's scuba diving here because Scotty's Dive Shop is here. Itong pinaka-favorite ko. I can stay here the whole day. Magmumuni-muni lang, no? Ganda while watching for the sunset. All right, so now this is the beach area. Lots of sunbeds, but we're going to the bar. That's the bar. Uy, medyo madilim. That's the bar. Okay, Maris, papaalam ka na?
Bye po!
Okay, see you again, ha, Maris. Maraming salamat. Wow, galing pumili ng misis ko ng timing. 50% off during happy hour. Wow, look at this. So nice.
Ito yung
Yan, daming coconuts. Pero I'm sure hindi tayo babagsakan ng coconuts.
napansin ako.
Oh.
Agimat yung pangalan ng restaurant sa ano. May parang... I'll try that.
Very, very nice. Waiting for the sunset over the coconuts. Sandali, ano yung order natin?
Gas.
Ha?
Gas.
Gas?
4 shots. 2 shots gas.
Ganun?
Oo.
Ba't di ko umorder para sa akin?
Eh kasi 4 shots na siya. Not alas gusto mo, unumin ko yung 4 shots. Iba pang order.
Sige na. Okay.
Yan na lang.
Basta para walang away. Okay na rin.
Isang order.
Oh, 4 shots daw, ha? Baka malasing tayo yan. Hindi pa tayo na... Wala pang happy hour. So pag hindi kami tinamaan, isang shot ulit, pwede. 50% discount naman eh.
4 shots na po yan, sir.
Kaya nga, kung wala pa rin tama, pwedeng umorder ulit, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan medyo happy. Kaya nga tinawag na happy hour eh. Pag hindi kami naging happy, hindi happy hour yun. Kailangan maging happy kami.
Happy po talaga.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ito na yung drinks. Wow, nakapat pa pala, ha?
Wow, laki ng shot.
Anong ibig mo sabihin? Alcohol ang laman niya sa loob?
Oh, yung vodka.
Vodka? Sige nga, buksan mo nga.
yung gas rice mixed with vodka, kalamay, tsaka yung sikwate.
Talaga?
Oh.
Uy, umuusok?
Sabay-sabay. Dalawa lang muna. Sabay na lahat.
Nausok ka. Malalasing kami dyan?
Depende.
Depende. Hindi pala nakakalasing eh. Ba't yan ang in-order mo? Hindi pala nakakalasing. Ay,
Gusto mo, lagyan namin ng shot.
Siyempre. Kailangan medyo malasing
Anong
kami.
shot? May vodka na yan.
May vodka. Sabi niya, hindi raw nakakalasing.
Double shot daw, double shot.
Okay. Sige.
kanya.
O yan. Wala pa yung sunset eh, oh. Sarap ba?
Chocolate,
Okay.
vodka.
May yellow na.
Para siyang chocolate.
Okay, cheers to the good life. Salamat, ha.
Yes, sir.
Uy, tingin uli sa sunset.
I can take
Okay.
photo of you.
Paano yung sunset ang tingin ko? So, South Palms with M Gallery. We're just waiting for the sunset. I think it's gone. No more sunset. Oh, but look at the effect. Ganda. I think the sunset is covered by the clouds. It's still looking good. It's a very, very wide beach. Wow, so this is a pavilion. Nice. I think this is where they have their private parties. Oh, so many coconuts. Wow. nice bar by the beach. Okay, let's go back to Berna. Hoy, nandiyan na pala yung food. Oh, it's a prosciutto pizza. Masarap yung pizza, Berna. Sarap. Okay. Dalawa lang tayo mag-share. So we're going to watch a fire dance. But there's a crowd watching. Oh, there's a Sirena. Sayang, we didn't catch her performance. But at least I'm able to get a video of her smiling. Yeah, sayang. Probably next time when we come back, we're going to see the performance of the Sirena.
Song symbolizes the calling of Lidagat's guidance, the guardian of the sea. And through this Balangay ritual, we have curated the drink called Gasa. And Gasa means a gift. For the Sirena. Cheers.
This is with alcohol.
And after this ritual, you already collected a
We're about to end our day here at M Gallery, South Palms, after watching the fire dance, but we missed the Sirena. Next time when we come back, for sure, we're going to see her performance. But for now, it's going to be the sunset.